How to fix the problems of all-in-one WP migration stocking problem. It is too much easy and simple to fix this issue. Okay, so in this video I'm going to teach you all the details, and after watching this entire video you will be also able to fix this problem. Okay, so now you can see here, this is my website and I'm trying to migrate my WordPress website inside this hosting, but in this time now you can see here my all-in-one WP migration. This is the one of the best WordPress migration software, and it is not working properly, and it is stucking in 100%, and it is not doing anything, and it is stucking. So how to fix this one? So in this video today I'm going to teach you all the details. Okay guys, so first of all you have to go inside your hosting plan. Okay, so now we can see I am inside my hosting dashboard, and just you have to log in inside your cPanel. Okay, so now we can see I am inside in my cPanel, and just you have to go in your file manager. Okay, so I am searching the file manager. Where is the here is the file manager. Just you have to click in the file manager. So when you will click in the file manager, so now we can see here you will get this type of the options. Okay, and just you have to click in the public _HTML folder. Okay, so now I'm just clicking here, and I'm trying to fix the all-in-one WP migration plugin stocking problem. After that, just you have to go in the WP content, and just you have to open this folder 𝗨𝘀𝗵𝗲𝗂𝗃. Okay, so I am just clicking here, and now we can see here is few things available. Then after that I am just going to upload all-in-one issue plugin, but before that one I need to uninstall all those plugins. So I am stopping the import. Okay, and I am just going inside my plugin, and I am removing so first of all I need to deactivate all-in-one WP migration WordPress plugin, and just click in the delete and OK. So after that again you have to go in the file manager. So I am reloading this one again, and now again I am going inside public.html and WP content, and you have to open this folder 𝗨𝘀𝗵𝗲𝗂𝗃. Okay guys, so first of all you have to delete all-in-one WP migration. So that maybe that is the current version of all-in-one WP migration. So first of all you have to upload the older version, that is all-in-one WP migration 6.7. I'll give the download link in the video description. You can check that one, and you can download easily from my website. Okay, and after that just you have to click in the add new, and I'm just clicking in the upload plugin and click in the choose file, and I am just uploading this all-in-one WP migration 6.7, and I'm clicking in the open and just click in the install now. So now we can see here it's installing. Then just you have to click in the activate plugin. Okay, so now we can see here all-in-one WP migration is uploaded. Okay, but don't update this one. Okay, so when you will fix the problem, then after that you can update this one. Okay, so guys, after uploading the all-in-one WP migration 6.7, just you have to go in the inside your hosting provider. Then after that just you have to click in the login to cPanel. Okay, then you will get this option, and just you have to open file manager. Okay, then after that just you have to go in the cPanel. Okay, and just you have to click in the public.html. Okay, and you will get this option, and that is WP content, and you have to open this folder, and just you have to click in the 𝗨𝘀𝗵𝗲𝗂𝗃𝗃 folder. So now we can see inside here I have this type of the files here. Okay, so after that you have to upload the WPress file which you have created using the all-in-one migration WordPress plugin. So I'm clicking in the upload, and clicking in the select file. Okay guys, so now we can see this is my WordPress backup files, and this is the 𝗨𝘀 file which is created by the 𝗨𝘀 migration file. Okay, so just you have to select this one and click in the open, and it depends on your internet speed. If you have good internet speed, it will upload very fast. Okay, otherwise it will take a little bit long time. So it is uploading. Okay guys, so now you can see here the file is uploaded. Okay, so now I'm just going here, and if I click here in the 𝗨𝘀 content, so now you can see here I have a file that is this file. Okay, so after that you have to go inside your WordPress, and just you have to click here in the all-in-one 𝗨𝘀 migration, and just you have to click in the backups. Okay, so now you can see here you will get this option, and after that just you have to click in the restore, and now we can see here it is restoring all the details. Okay, so it is telling that the the import process will override your website. Okay, so just you have to click in the process, and now you can see it will update all the files and settings inside your WordPress. Okay, so it is uploading all those necessary files. Okay guys, so now we can see it is telling me that your data has been imported successfully. It is telling me like that. And if I refresh this one, so maybe my blog is ready, and in this way you can easily migrate your WordPress website. And if you are getting the problems, the stocking of all-in-one 𝗨𝘀 migration, then this is the easiest way to method to fix this one. Okay, after that close this one, and you can delete this file also from here after uploading that file. Okay, so now we can see my file is uploaded, and just you have to go in the your cPanel. Okay, and I am just clicking in the 𝗨𝘆𝗶𝗹 backup. So now we can see I can remove those unnecessary files from my server, and just click in the confirm. Okay, so in this way you can easily fix that problem when you are migrating your websites. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.